Okay, hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your license plate light in a 2006 Pontiac G6 Coupe. Okay, I done took my license plate off, so you're going to take your license plate off. You're going to look, there's 2 screws right here. It's a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to take those out. I'm going to take those out and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so now the screws are out. All you're going to do is grab it, pull it one way, and next. Okay, so you're going to remove the clip. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to do that real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so now this part, you just spin until you feel it unlatch. And you just pull it out. That's all that is. Okay, so I done pulled my bulb out. It's right there. And we're actually going to be replacing it with an LED. So let me set that right there. And then you can only see the back part of the bumper at the second, which is really nothing. I'm grabbing the LED as we speak. So now, I got my LED. That way it's much brighter. And all you do is get your LED, push it in there. So it's going to take 2 hands. So I want to do that real quick and I will show you what it will look like. Okay, so now that it's here, all you're going to do is push it back in here, lock it, put it up in there, and screw it in. I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like rating, and I will see you all next time.